Binodo. What is Binod?
Binod is Pokemon.
Binod. Binodo.
Go Binod is Pokemon.
Binod is best. Binod.
तो चलिए विनोद को अनबॉक्स करते हैं। So since past few days I have been getting irritated by the non-contextual spam of Binod and thought why not teach people how to make a joke. If single people out there can give you relationship advice, then I can surely teach you how to make a joke. First thing you need is a target, because without a target your sandwich would look like a joke. Targets can range from daily life to making jokes about politics and making jokes about your mental health. But I believe the last is the best option if you don't want to get into any trouble. After that, you can cover the topic with the secret recipe, but it's optional. The secret recipe isn't really secret because all you need to prepare it is depression and overthinking mixed with a couple of drops of tears, crushed together with the classic style while wondering about all your ancestors who survived to make sure you existed, just to find out you turned out to be a disappointment. After that, you take the semi-liquid filling and spread it on your topic. When you are done, you can take layer of irony and add it on your joke. Make sure the irony is pre-sliced when you buy it from the market. Adding irony in your jokes makes it difficult for average consumers to understand your joke. Hence, use it when you're trying to make offensive joke. Moving on, we can add a little bit of exaggeration because it looks cool. Thinking about cool, it's not necessary to fit in any definition of cool because you are unique or something. I don't know, I don't have many friends to look cool in front of. Moving on, we can spice things up further by adding roast. Boil it and smash it and add it in your sandwich, and just recall the days when you could just order the sandwich instead of going through all this. After adding all the ingredients, the sandwich needs another bread on the top because it's a sandwich and not a pizza. You can spread the bread with a bit of uniqueness, but that is the case if you have any. In the end, the most important step is to deliver the joke or DOJ. And if your DOJ is a big block of complex structure, you can always cut it into simple slices and use it in. After living for 18 years, I have learned that it is possible to make the best out of worst situations. So we are just gonna break the small cubes into smaller cubes, or also known as don't press me hard or I'll get back to small cubes, and sprinkle it on the sandwich. In the end, the sandwich might not look perfect, but the most important thing that matters is the taste of the sandwich. And let me tell you, it's not worth it. So next time if you want to learn something, don't come to a comedian. Also take your sandwich with a grain of salt because everything you see on the internet is not real.
What are you?
Nor me.